Creating a broadcast channel on Instagram is a straightforward process if you can follow this video carefully. In this video, I'm going to simply show you how you can create your broadcast channel on your Instagram account, get traffic, and interact more with your audience. And to create your broadcast channel, there are several steps you have to take for this to work for you, because not all accounts has this very feature. Currently, the broadcast feature is being rolled out gradually. That means it might not be available for everyone yet. Okay, so all you need for this to work for you is at least 10,000 followers. If you have 10,000 followers, this is gonna work for you. Okay, so if you have 10,000 followers and you didn't see it, then you have to make sure you stick to the ending part of this video, because I'm gonna simply show you how you can easily access yours and create your channel. All right, you might be asking the benefits or advantages of creating this very channel. One of the benefits of creating this very channel is to get traffic and also get higher engagement from your audience. All right, so remember, Instagram doesn't offer you the opportunity to post a content with a clickable link, okay, but with your broadcast channel you can post any link. You can get people to interact with your link, which means you can send a lot of traffic from your Instagram channel down to any website or landing page of your choice. If you want to sell something online, you can usually utilize this very strategy and get it done. So there are so many importance of creating this very channel. All you need to do is simply focus on this very video, because if you can build audience, then you can easily interact with your audience and give them engaging content and as well make money from your channel. All right, so all you need to do is simply download your Instagram. You have to first of all head over to your Play Store or App Store if you're using an iOS device, then download Instagram. Make sure you log into the account you want to create this channel from. Okay, make sure that that account has at least 10,000 followers. If you don't have up to 10,000 followers and you want me to guide you on how to get at least 10,000 followers on your Instagram, I would like you to comment 10,000 followers on the comment section. Then if I can see your comment, I'm going to simply pick you single-handedly and teach you how to get your first 10,000 followers on your Instagram page. Okay, so remember, once you have 10,000 followers, then you have to make sure you focus on this very strategy and create your account. All right, so what I'm going to do right now is simply head over to my account. This is my own account right here. This is my Instagram page, so you can simply go ahead and give me a follow if you like what we do here. All right, you can see right here I already have an Instagram broadcast channel. Okay, we are over 102 persons on the channel. You can see these are the posts, and you can easily post link and people can easily click on that link, okay, which is not available on normal post or reel. All right, so there's no clickable link available, or there's no option for that on Instagram itself unless you have a broadcast channel. Okay, so once you create your account, once you head over to your account and your account has up to 10,000 followers and you don't see this right here, the next thing you're going to do is simply come to this section, click on this page, this section, then head over to the feed. You have to head over to the feed. Okay, so once you're on this section, you have to click on this section right here, your direct message. Click on that. All right, so once you click on that, you're gonna see these are the messages you'll be seeing here, the people that you've already chatted with, and you're gonna see all, you're gonna see primary, you're gonna see general and request. Okay, so you have to neglect all of these things right here, then click on this small pencil button here. Okay, so if you don't see this small pencil button, make sure you go over to your Instagram and update your app. All right, if you are using an Instagram Lite, you didn't see it, you have to go over and download the main Instagram app. Okay, not the Lite. All right, so you click on this plus button. So once you click on that plus button, you're gonna see create chat group, you're gonna see create a broadcast channel. Okay, so this very one right here is the one that will help you to get lots of features and also interact with your audience. All right, so in this session, the audience doesn't have any right to message you or to drop any message there. All right, for this general chat group, they only have right to message you if you give them the right. Okay, so you have to make sure you choose whatever you want. If you want to go for the group chat, you can simply go ahead and select that, but if you want to go for the create a broadcast channel, you can simply click that. Okay, so the sole aim of creating this video is to show you how to create a broadcast channel. All right, so you click on broadcast channel. So let's say you want to add padded vibes, then you're going to simply select your audience. Okay, you can select anyone on Instagram, you can select anyone, your followers. Okay, you have to make sure you select this show channel on profile, right, so that anybody can see that you have a channel on your profile. If you don't select this, they're not gonna see it. All right, to be hidden, but you have to make sure you turn it on. Also, after selecting all those features, you click on this create button and your Instagram broadcast channel will be created. All right, so I already have a broadcast channel, so that is the one I have here, and you can see the reason why it is showing here is because I allowed it to be here. Okay, so if you click on this, then you can upload anything on the broadcast channel. So you can take pictures from here, you can also upload audio files, you can upload image files, and if you click on this plus button here, you can ask questions, you can create posts, add stickers, and also create avatars. There are a lot of things you can do here. You can add link here, and the link will be clickable. You can as well go ahead and ask questions, interact with your audience. All right, if you come to this home page, you're gonna see the invite section right here. You're gonna see this link here, then share it out to any platform. Then from that link, they can easily locate your channel, your broadcast channel on Instagram, and join your broadcast channel. Okay, so you can decide to set up the team. If you want to set team here, if you click on this team section, then you're gonna simply select the type of team you want to select, whether you want the green, you want red, or black. Okay, so anyone you want to select, it doesn't really matter. All right, so you just have to make sure you go with something that matches with your brand. All right, once anybody join, make sure you tell them to turn on this notification so that whenever you upload anything here on the channel, they will be notified. All right, so even if you create a new reel, you can share the link there, then they will be notified and watch the video. Okay, so this is it, and you can search anything, maybe your past messages you dropped last year or last month, you want to bring them up. You can easily use this search button, then type anything related to that, then the messages will pop up. All right, so that is it, and that is how you can easily create your Instagram broadcast channel. All right, so remember, if you have less than 10,000 followers, this is not going to work for you. And if you want to get your first 10,000 followers on Instagram, to make sure you comment 10,000 followers. So if you have any question on this, I would like you to drop it down in the comment section as well. If you have anything bothering you, click the link in the video description and join us on our Telegram channel. I'm going to be there to reply you. Okay, you have to make sure you watch this video showing you on your screen right now. I'm going to see you in that very video.
Hey, want to learn high-income digital skills using just your phone? Join our Telegram community. It's all from John Francis.